Here are 7 hidden tricks that save you time every single day. Number 1, slash commands. Click the search bar, type a / and jump straight to a chat, a call, or your files. No clicking around. Number 2, save any message. Hover over it, tap the bookmark, and it's tucked away under saved, so that important link is never lost again. Number 3, cut the noise. In your activity feed, filter to mentions only, and you'll instantly see the messages that actually need you. Number 4, schedule a message. Write it now, right-click send, and pick a time. It lands first thing, without you lifting a finger. Number 5, loop components. Drop a live list into any chat and everyone edits the same thing in place. One source of truth that updates everywhere. Number 6, pop out your chats. Double-click a conversation and it opens in its own window so you can reply while you carry on working. And number 7, learn the shortcuts. Control _ shows them all. Control E jumps to search. Control N starts a chat. And Control Shift M or O mute your mic or camera in a heartbeat. 7 tricks, hours saved. Which will you try first? Follow Better ET. Better connected, better protected.